Night sky. Look up. When the sun goes down, dots of light fill the night sky. Some of them move, others are still, some twinkle, others don't. Have you ever wondered what they are? Earth's sidekick. On most nights, one object looks bigger and brighter than everything else. It's the moon. The moon is a ball of rock that orbits Earth. It looks so big and bright because it's only about 240,000 miles from Earth. Compared with other objects in the sky, that's pretty close. Sometimes the moon looks like a circle. Other times it's a curved silver. That's because of the moon's orbit. Light from the sun reflects off the moon, making it look bright. As the sun orbits Earth, we see different amounts of the lit up side. This makes the moon appear to change shape. Sometimes, as the moon orbits, Earth lines up between the sun and the full moon. When that happens, Earth blocks most of the sun's light from reaching the moon. The moon looks dark orange-red. This is called a lunar eclipse. Twinkle, twinkle. On a clear night, the sky is filled with tiny twinkling lights. These twinkling lights are stars. Stars are giant balls of burning gas, but since they are so far away, they look very small. Stars appear to twinkle because their light is bent and forth as it travels through Earth's atmosphere. If you connect stars with imaginary lines, you might see shapes in the sky. These are constellations. People have been looking for constellations since ancient times. Sailors used them to find their way across the sea. Storytellers made up tales about the people and animals they saw in the stars. The Big Dipper is one famous group of stars. It's part of the constellation called Ursa Major. To some people, it looks like a ladle. Others see a wagon, a clever, or a mother bear and 3 bear cubs. A star map or app can help you find other constellations. A home for the sun. There's one star you know very well. It's the sun. The sun and everything that orbits it is in the Milky Way galaxy. Galaxies are large groups of stars held together by gravity. On a very clear night, you might see part of the Milky Way. It looks like a wide, hazy strip stretching across the sky. Flying objects. Have you ever seen a shooting star? These streaks of light aren't really stars. They're meteors. Small lumps of rock that fall toward Earth. They glow as they quickly burn up in Earth's atmosphere. Once in a while, you might also spot a bright star-like object with a long tail. That's a comet. Watch for many nights, and you'll see that it travels slowly across the sky. Spot the dots. Stars twinkle in the sky, but you may see some dots that don't. These are planets in our solar system. They are brighter than most stars. Planets are large balls of rock, metal, or gas that orbit a star. Planets don't make their own light. They reflect light from the stars they orbit. Besides Earth, 7 other planets orbit our sun. You can spot some with just your eyes. Venus is the brightest, then Jupiter. Mars looks red. You can see Mercury and Saturn too. Uranus and Neptune are so far away that you need a telescope to see them. Who's out there? There are more than 300 billion trillion stars in space. That's a big number. About half of the stars have planets, and scientists say that one of them could be home to living things, just like Earth. When you stare at the night sky, someone might be staring back. Night sky.